Abata adima, oke Chinyere Udoma, akole chukwu ebube ebube EzeAbata, EzeAbata, Abatara na nubo ebube oke Abata bụ akole chukwu ebube Abata adima, oke Chinyere Udoma, akole chukwu ebube EzeAbata, EzeAbata, Abatara na ndumo ebube oke Abata bụ akole chukwu ebube
So this is another wonderful song, EzeAbata by Sister Chinyere Udoma. We're going to look at it on two keys, the simple key, the open key, and to the actual key, which is B. So we're going to take it from the key of C, which is the open key, and down to B. So the intro begins from here on the key of C. Then this harmony. This is that. We are still on drop 2-1, then this, got 2, then got 2, then 4, then 5, and that's the whole thing. So if you are not playing the melody, let's say you are the string pianist or the layer pianist, you can just do this chord 1. So you're playing drop 2 chord 1. Yes, you're on the 2 again. Then 4, 5, 1, and the song begins. Oh, but to be okay. If you are the one playing bass, oh, but to be 2. Oh, but I hear them 2 again. Okay, Chineke my 4. So what's the chord when the song starts is 1. So what I did is I did a passing chord, which is a diminished passing chord. And one beautiful thing about diminished passing chord is that The same way you use the shape on the key of C, you can use it on other keys. It only changes on 2-3 keys like that, which we're still going to talk about later on in my tutorial on the playlist Fundamentals of Piano. I'm going to talk about that. But this is what I play at the beginning. So, that's the bass line. Look at it there. I did this. So that's the diminished there. Just add that melody feel there. Abata here, they matu again. Okay, Chineke my then 4. So the chord is 1, 1, diminish passing to 2, 2, 4, 5, 1. Then the chorus. Hey, 1. EzeAbata 5. 5 again. Hey, very simple chord progression. EzeAbata to 1. See the next one again. 1. Obatara nandimo inye bube me. 5. Ogechi agwotogo 4. Akole chukwe bube inye bube me. Or you can just do Akole chukwe bube inye bube me, depending on what you want. Then the interlude from the pianist. So let me play that. You hold first one, then to 1. You go to chord 5 on your left hand. You're still on it. Back to 1. If you can play the bass line, you get it. If I can play the bass line, go back again. Then the ending. Then that's the whole thing there. All right, then, so if you go to the key of B, which is the original key, the scale is this. The intro begins. See that? Then I like to just, my piano is not long. So what am I playing on the key of B? The same thing I play on the key of C. So you're starting from the 3rd. Then see that? Then they drop 2 chord 1 again. Then so let me play it up together very slowly so that you can trace it. See? Look at it. Then from the 6th. Then that's the whole thing. Then the chord again. Chord 1. I use this voicing. Look at it. See the diminish I told you about? The same shape. Just that this is the half diminish. You can see it. I just add the melody from the 6th. So that's 2. Abata here the ma. Okay, Chineke my. Then go to the chorus again. Then EzeAbata 5. 5. EzeAbata 1. So you go back then. Obatara nandimo inye bube me 5. Ogechi agwotogo akwole chukwe bube inye bube me. Then the interlude again, 3 to the 3rd. I'll slow it down. I'll play the second time again. Then the ending. that's entirely everything there. So this part again. You might use a fringing that is better for you, fine, but I think this is easier for me. Then, starting from where you ended, then the second time you go again. Then you can even harmonize it. If you want to harmonize that way, fine, it's also correct. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share, click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and check my next video on this same playlist and others.